There's Adam.
New cars entered service.
At the Parkville building.
This replaced a 400A.
And the 400A replaced a freight. A winding drum freight elevator. And is now an Otis Gen3. The 400A like never worked. I never rode it.
Basement. Going
There's a
up.
boiler room. I believe this is Pitt's first Gen 3 that's not Compass.
Fifth floor. Going down.
Textured stainless steel.
Yeah. I wish they did the cab the main ones have, because they redid the cabs on those fairly recently. The main ones were old, like 70s Otis modded with like a 2000s Otis mod.
First floor. Going up.
Yeah, this is like a service elevator, but it's only 2,100 pounds just on the back area. That's it.